bring squeak upon.
Thank you, Miss Precious. Thank you, Miss Precious. Come disgrace me in a dance hall. But remember say, if I never feel you would have catch further than this in a life, you hear me?
Yes, you'd have catch further, you'd have buy more frock, that's all you use your money and buy.
Listen to me, the ranking girl. You're not going to come in my yard and back chat me now. You me not keep you in if you rank with me, you're going to come out. You see him, girl.
I'm not going to stay, Mr. Brinks.
Oh, hold on there. So Mr. Brinks, I look after you, and Mr. Brinks, why you there at the yard? Well, all right, go on to him. Go on to him, making care you go buy ice cream and Kentucky.
Yeah? So who won't pay the rent?
Well, you won't be seeing me anymore, it will be you and him. So when he carry you go buy your ice cream, give him some of your ice cream.
No.
She won't like
no,
she a big
can't do
woman.
that.
She thinks she a big woman.
do that.
You know what? Take off my frock, give me. Take off my frock, give me right here, so. Right here, so.
Precious, no. Precious, no. Precious, no. Precious, no.
Take girl too right. Take care. Give her a good dress. Take care. She too right, man. She too damn right.
Precious, no. Precious.
Take care.
Precious, no.
Let me take care of now. Give me my friggin' frock.
But I never know you're so precious fat.
This is so-called Rasta one, yeah. Me don't know what she laugh about and she not tap walk and teeth people tongues off a line. Boy, girl, why would I not look on a dance and a confidence? Dance!
She miserable, says she's stressed. So me give her some sex. I just loving them a repress. Them here say we have the best. That's why y'all stay out my home and I blow up my phone cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all want smoke my cigar and I run down my car cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all a hot button that's right. And I pop my shirt cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all not take no less cause it put the stress. Them want the vitamin S. Y'all in a heat, y'all warm and I live on.
I've got to.
Oh, you take so long to open the door. Maybe think nobody never did there. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you mad there? I can't stay too long, you see. I can't stay too long. They pick them in the car. Miss supposed to go buy the pick them ice cream. Yeah, tell her if you're up. Miss supposed to go buy the pick them ice cream. Tell her if you're hurry up, because look at my wife, she start get suspicious. She start complaining, say how me stay long when we carry out the picnic them. So tell her if you're up, you see, tell her if you're up. Wait. How your mother frock stretch out so, like she a go out? Wait, a man here keep with me. He can't work, he can't work. Give me the money. A man here keep with me. What's it there? A man here, what's it there?
It's not she going out.
What?
It's not she going out, it's me.
You? But I never see you go down here. I've been coming here over 2 years now to get my regular fixing from your mother. You know, and the only time I see you go anywhere is when you go outside to allow me and your mother to carry on where you carry on. So how come you going out tonight? Eh?
Well, there's a person, everything, you know.
Hi, so tell me, how come you never go out with me?
Maybe because you never asked.
Yeah. All right. I am boxing now. You want me to buy you some ice cream?
Yes. What happened to the children?
No. You don't can pass to one of them. Yes, you. Hey.
What happened to Mama?
She not know.